Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to remove product from wishlist in Shein application on an Android device. Well, if an items on your wishlist becomes out of stock or discontinued, it is a good idea to remove it to avoid cluttering your wishlist with unavailable products. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application. Okay, so in this main page, look for heart icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Okay, so here, you can remove some products by selecting the products and tap heart icon here. Or you can do the other way. Click this option and check the product you want to remove from your wishlist. Lastly, tap delete option here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove products from wishlist in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.